Well, thank you very much for listening to this video. I'm really very excited about presenting this all-day workshop about understanding, assessing, treating, and relapse prevention of extramarital affairs, or as we call it, EMAs. You know, I learned about this when I was in graduate school in psychology. And almost everything that I learned has proven to be both empirically and clinically untrue. That affairs are really a wonderful example of how complex sexuality is in terms of being multi-causal, multi-dimensional, with large individual, culture, couple, and value differences. So when we explore the issue of affairs, we're going to look at it not just from the point of view of the injured partner, but also the participating partner and its role and meaning in terms of the relationship and sexuality in the relationship. Contrary to common belief, the major cause of affairs is not a relationship problem, although you do need to assess for that. Do not assume it because it's incorrect. And you also need to understand that the majority of couples survive affairs, both male and female affairs. And that one of the things we're going to talk about that is really understood and underutilized is the challenge of creating a new sexual bond that emphasizes desire, pleasure, eroticism, and satisfaction. Not to compare it with EMA sex, but to compare it with sex before the EMA, and that can really motivate the couple. It's also terribly important to explore how to develop and implement relapse prevention programs, because affairs have high rates of relapse unless you have a relapse prevention program. Last but not least, we want to understand the meaning of the affair so the client makes a wise decision about whether to proceed with the relationship or not. So we're going to confront emotional choices. We're going to promote wise decisions. We're also going to, if the couple do decide to split up, then you don't split up over an affair. That gives the affair more power than it deserves. Your decision of staying together or splitting up is based on the present and the future, not what happened in the past. So I'm very excited about presenting this material, looking forward to seeing you at the workshop and being able to interact with you about this issues.